Hi everyone, Sangeeta here. Let's have a revision on some more questions from enzymology. Some very short answer questions like one therapeutic use of enzyme, name two therapeutic enzymes, mention the enzyme elevated in alcoholic cirrhosis, diagnostic significance of GGT, name four enzymes of diagnostic significance in liver diseases, clinical significance of ALP. Name different types of specificity shown by enzymes with examples or types of specificity of enzymes. So the first question was therapeutic use of enzyme or name two therapeutic enzymes. So certain enzyme can act as therapeutic agents which can be used to treat diseases. So the example given as streptokinase, the enzyme which yield from streptococcus bacteria, or urokinase from extracted from the urine, can lyse intravascular clots and are therefore used in myocardial infarction. Pepsin and trypsin, we know that these are the digestive enzymes are given to patients with a defective digestion. Then asparaginase is used as an anti-cancer drug. Some more examples as therapeutic enzymes or therapeutic use of enzymes. The first column, so many enzymes, and the second column, therapeutic application. So other than the discussed one, like streptodonase applied locally, pancreatic insufficiency, or which can be used as an oral administration, papain, which can be act as an anti-inflammatory drug, alpha-1 antitrypsin for alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. Next question was mention the enzyme elevated in alcoholic cirrhosis. Only one answer, that is one mark answer. It is gamma glutamyl transferase or transpeptidase is the answer. And the associated question was diagnostic significance of GGT, gamma glutamyl transpeptidase. So it is the enzyme which can be used to transfer gamma glutamyl residues to the substrate, specifically using for the glutathione synthesis seen in liver, kidney, pancreas, etc. Reference value 10 to 30 U bar L. It is increased in infective hepatitis and prostate cancer, but GGT is a specific marker for alcoholic abuse. GGT is increased in alcoholics even when other liver function tests are within normal limit. Another question was name four enzymes of diagnostic significance in liver disease. Only naming, we have to enumerate. So ALT, AST, alkaline phosphatase, nucleotide phosphatase, even GGT. So you can write any four liver enzyme. So sir has been already discussed in detail about this thing along with the other clinical enzymes. So each one can be asked separately. For example, clinical significance of AST, ALT also can be asked. Yeah, another question is clinical significance of ALP. What is ALP? Alkaline phosphatase, which is produced by osteoblasts of bone and is associated with the calcification process. It is a zinc containing enzyme, and a moderate 2 to 3 times increase occurs in hepatic diseases like infective hepatitis, alcoholic hepatitis, hepatocellular carcinoma, etc. Very high level is seen in obstructive jaundice, that is extrahepatic obstruction caused by gallstones or pressure by the bile duct by the carcinoma, head of pancreas, etc. And also high elevation seen in intrahepatic cholestasis may be due to virus, that is infective hepatitis, or by drugs. ALP is produced by the epithelial cells of biliary canaliculi, and obstruction of bile with consequent irritation of epithelial cells leads to secretion of ALP. That is why the level is very high in extrahepatic and intrahepatic obstruction or cholestasis. Very high, that is drastically high levels seen in severe bone diseases. Paget disease, rickets, osteomalacia, osteoblastoma, metastatic carcinoma, etc. And the last question is types of specificity. There are four types of specificity mainly: absolute specificity, bond specificity, stereospecificity, and group specificity. Absolute specificity means it has only one substrate. For example, hydrolysis of urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide catalyzed by urease enzyme. Urea is the only substrate for urease enzyme. Similarly, glucose oxidase will oxidize only beta D glucose, no the other isomeric form. That is the meaning of absolute specificity. Bond specificity means most of the proteolytic enzymes are showing bond specificity. For example, trypsin hydrolyze peptide bonds formed by carboxyl groups of arginine, carboxyl groups of lysine residues in any other proteins. That is the meaning of bond specificity. Group specificity means one enzyme can catalyze the same reactions on a group of structurally similar compounds. Example, hexokinase, which can catalyze the phosphorylation of glucose, galactose, mannose, etc. Example. And the last one, stereospecificity. Human enzymes are specific for L amino acid and D carbohydrates. So it cannot catalyze D amino acid or L carbohydrate. That is the meaning. That is the meaning of stereospecificity. Fumarase will hydrate fumaric acid to malic acid, but corresponding cis form malic acid will not be acted upon. And LDH, lactate dehydrogenase, acting on pyruvate will form only L-lactate, not the D variety. That's it. Thank you.